This is something I find particularly attractive. It's now 10 in the evening, so I'm going to have to do this quite quickly before the dog starts snoring. I'm in bed. I've got this view of the countryside, which you can see there. To my right here, there's a view as well. This window is open. That's the mosquito screen, as you can see. I wouldn't sleep with the window open without that mosquito screen down. One thing I can't stand is insects, but in my van. But here I've got this wonderful chirping of insects around. Okay, here it's not particularly. There are street lights still. You can see in the distance there. In fact, one of them, two in fact, are quite clear, and you can hear at times the cars behind me. But to me, this is absolute the contact you can have with nature. Now here it is, I wouldn't say it's exactly in the middle of nowhere, but there was one place, for example, I was at last year. Oh, incredible! No light, no nothing, and we came down a track and it was next to a canal. Absolutely amazing place to be. And this to me, okay, in summer, okay, I'm in central Poland, then I was in northern Poland, but it's this wonderful contact with nature. And this to me is what it's all about. Being in a van, the van life. When you see people who put these videos up of the 1972 VW driving across a beach and all the rest of it, well, that's not reality. But this now is reality. This is what I find particularly attractive. Okay, I said that I'd filmed this before the dog started snoring, but now I've got my stomach complaining. I fasted today, and I broke my fast before going to bed, though. Possibly unnecessarily, but people offered me food, so I ate with them. So anyway, what do you think? Do you see what's attractive about this? Or maybe you don't. Maybe you think, that looks like pretty rough to me. I'd rather have a 5-star hotel with a pool below and the bar open until 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, maybe you would. But it's horses for courses, and everybody gets what they want. Thanks for watching.